Hi, welcome back. Now, after my Caravan tour video, a few people asked if I could make a video showing how the self-leveling system works, and in particular how it makes fitting the Alco wheel lock super quick to fit. So here's that video. Firstly, position your Caravan on the pitch or wherever you're parking. For the self-leveling system to work properly, the pitch needs to be reasonably level to begin with. To fit the Alco wheel locks, this needs to be done before you use the self-leveling system. Make sure your handbrake is on and then remove the control panel. Move to the off side of the Caravan and click manual on the remote, and then press the middle right button, which will start to lower the offside jack. Keep pressing until this reaches the ground and very slightly lifts the offside wheels. Then move around to the near side and do the same. This time keep pressing until the wheels fully lift off the ground. The jack might stop, but just press again and it will start lowering again. Once the near side wheels are lifted off the ground, take the handbrake off, but be careful here as the van will be supported on the jacks only. You can then check that the wheels are turning freely, remove the yellow dust caps, and then simply start fitting the Alco wheel locks as normal. The whole process only takes a few minutes and makes fitting the locks really quick and simple. Once the locks are on, you need to put the handbrake back on, and then on the control panel click auto and the arrow up. You need to bring the jacks back up fully before you can start the self-leveling process. Once the jacks are fully retracted, press the auto arrow down and this will start the self-leveling process, which levels the Caravan with the centre jacks and the four legs, which all move automatically. One thing to note, if the front of the Caravan is too high, you will get an error message on the control and it will ask you to lower the nose, as the front of the Caravan has to be slightly lower to engage the self-leveling system. You can also level and drop the legs manually if wanted by using the manual option. The leveling process is completed when the green dot appears in the middle of the screen on the control panel. If you have any issues with the control panel, you can manually lower and lift the legs using the two pinholes on the remote control mount in the Caravan. Use a pen nib or paper clip and press into the holes. One will lower the legs and one will lift them. Importantly, you need to keep the button pressed until the full up or down sequence has been completed. If the legs are not working at all, you do have an emergency button, usually fitted under one of the front seats. This will bring the legs up, but should only be used if all other options have failed. I hope this video has been useful. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please let me know in the comments and consider subscribing and liking the video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.